Okay, now I have a new chapter 28 started, and I add all the data from the data file, and basically I just put all the clinic data from chapter 20. So now I'm going to customize extension, and this is already make sure, and we just do the study area block groups then. Oh, we forgot to set the mask. Let me go back to the other one. Not my dustbin. Chapter 20. This one. Geoprocessing. Go back. Geoprocessing environment. Raster analysis mask. Oh, we didn't do that. Okay, and hit OK. Let's just rerun our model. Actually, we can remake a new model just in my data. Chapter 12. No, we want chapter 20. Okay. My data and toolbox. We're going to make a new model. Let's just make a new model. We're going to call it Hope. Hope it works, okay? Okay. Oh no, we save it as we called it Hope. So now we have to set everything first. First. And then we go to customize geoprocessing environments. The raster analysis, we're going to set specific as below, and we don't have this layer. We're going to drag it. Study area block groups. Oh, block groups. It's called block books. Okay. Block groups, and then hit OK. And then we already done that. And then we already create a model, and then point density. Point density. And drag it here, and we're going to double click on it. And the first one, we have a client list. The name might be a little different, but it's okay. And then the first one, we're going to call it, then I'll just use the default name, whatever. And make it 2000. Hit apply, hit OK. And then the next tool we're going to use is the Euclidean distance. And we just leave it. Bus stops and maximum distance to 640 and 100 for the size. I'm going to click apply it, okay, and then let it run. And then we have to set the processing. Always select the layers. We need to deselect it, but it's okay. Close, and then we're going to deselect everything. And now we can add to display and add to display. I think we did great. Everything looks fine. Everything looks fine. Double check. And with the buffer, everything looks fine. Okay, then we're going to add a field. We need to change the Euclidean distance property real quick. Processing extend track, and then values, and default as block groups. Areas of block groups. Yes. And then that's it. Processing check, change the same, and then click. Okay. Hit apply, hit OK. And then we need to add a field. Add a field. Oh. Add a field. Add field. Data management. Add a field right here. Add field, and then calculate field. Calculate field. Data management. Okay, now which one goes first? Although we did that, but at the end we see study error blocks. Groups 2 and then 3. 1, 2, 3. We need to calculate the field first. But let's do add field first. And study error blocks 2. Blocks 2. Okay, wait a minute. The book has something wrong with the diagram for the model. I think we might have to calculate the field first. That's why. Okay, now it's block groups, and field name will be _5. However we added that expression will be _5 divided by 2010, and hit OK. And VB, everything looks fine. Hit apply, hit OK. But we need to add a field first. And then it will be groups 2. Field name under add a score. And then it will be percent Percy _under 5. And this will be floating. Float. Let's just do PU5. Make this check 1, 2, 3. And we change this into the original box group. Hit apply, hit OK. And now this is a 4. It doesn't make sense. And then we change this into 4. Okay. And now percent, it's 5 field name. Okay. Hit apply, hit OK. And now you'll need this. Okay, now everything links. That's still weird. I doubted it might work. So we're going add a field is not anything. So 3, 4. That looks like the image, right? And then polygon to raster. Polygon to raster. I hope this will work. Polygon to raster convert tool. Double click on it. Input feature will be 5. And then under this one will be percent under 5. And then, okay, just save it as the name. Cell center, none. Cell center, none. Priority, none. Cell center, that's fine. 100, and hit apply, hit OK. And now we can run the tool. And now we make sure that everything flows. Failed. Using another application. Let's just save this. And we're going to close it out. Close it out. Okay, close. And then let's validate again. And then let's rerun. We followed every procedure and add a field. It's polygon to raster. If not, we will do it separately, not in a model. Hope it works, hope it works. Yay! Okay. Now, once it's done running and you can see, we can just add to display. Looks like nothing shows up. Still nothing shows up. It's weird. And nothing is here. That's why nothing shows up. Okay, now I'm going to examine this table. Add a field. Oh, no wonder, nothing is here. Okay, now we add a field and we need to field calculator, and we're going to do it divided by population 2010. There, hit OK. Still nothing happens. How come? It's impossible. Something wrong with here, no wonder. Calculate a field. Add a field. We add a field, and now we need calculate a field. Nothing happens. And even this is not happening. Then we're going to delete field. Delete, yes. And delete again. And let's just manually do it. Our model is not working because the field is not added. That's why nothing come out. Okay. Save it. Okay, let's run it by hand first, manually, and then we will see what happens. We're going to add a field.